Hello friends, I'm going to show you the usage of aloe vera gel. This is Patanjali aloe vera gel and used by many as it is very beneficial for the skin issues. So I'm not leaving the inch of gel also inside. So what I'm going to do is taking one scissors and cutting the back side so that we can see how much gel is left inside. See how much is there. We can take this out with a finger or else with a spoon also, or else we can press it back to drop in a dye which we are making for our skin care or else either hair care or any of it. See, I'm getting lots of gel from inside.